Karibu mtazamaji, tuandamane kuanzia sasa hadi tamati mwa taarifa hizi. Jina langu ni Caroline Mogure nikisaidiwa na mwelekezi wangu ambaye ni Faith Celine Ekoto. Mahakama Kuu jijini Nairobi imetangaza ushuru wa nyumba ulioanzishwa na Rais William Ruto kuwa kinyume na katiba. Wakili George Murungara amewataka majaji kuipa serikali siku 45 ili kutekeleza agizo hilo. Waajiri wamekuwa wakituma mchango wao wa 1.5% pamoja na kiwango sawia ya wafanyikazi wao. Serikali ilikuwa imetaja kwamba makato hayo ambayo hayakutarajiwa na wananchi yatawezesha kufikia mpango wao madhubuti wa kujenga nyumba za bei nafuu kwa Wakenya wa kipato cha chini. Mswada wa fedha wa mwaka 2023 ulipitishwa na bunge mnamo Juni mwaka 2022, mnamo Juni tarehe 22 kunradhi, na baadaye kuidhinishwa na Rais William Ruto mnamo Juni 26 mwaka huu.
This distinction must be justified as rationally related to a legitimate government purpose. This requirement prevents arbitrariness, which undermines the rule of law, and if distinctions are to be made, they must be a rational basis for them. We have looked at the responses by the respondents. Their key submission is that the national government enjoys the prerogative and latitude to impose taxes as a means of achieving the objective of realizing the right to housing. They did not answer why the tax falls upon employed formal workers as opposed to other taxpayers or non-taxpayers. In Okello and another versus National Assembly and others, Odunga J stated that taxes need not look the same and selective taxes may be applied to different actors for different reasons, such as to address distribution and equity. Hence, the tax need not be similar to another for it to be rational and discrimination. We add that for any legislation to pass the rule of law test, it must have a rational connection to a legitimate government purpose. Otherwise, the tax legislation would be arbitrary and unconstitutional. It's therefore the duty of the state to provide a rational explanation for the manner in which the tax is involved. In absence of a rational explanation for the manner in which the housing levy was enacted, we can only conclude that the respondents took the easy path of least resistance, as taxing employees. Informal employment is easier. It is also the respondent's constitutional responsibility to create a broad, efficient, fair tax system that complies with Article 2(1)(b)(1) of the Constitution, and the taxes levied against persons in formal employment to the exclusion of all other non-formal earners to support a national.
Press release was to notify the public on the changes to fuel prices effective 1st July 2023 in compliance with the revised VAT rates from 8% to 16% on petroleum products. The finance bill having been assented to by the President on 26 June. Mr. Issa pointed out that neither the alleged contempt nor EPRA, that is the one with the long name, were a party to the proceedings at the time the court issued the orders on 30th June, as were yet to be joined to these proceedings.